Okay, sixth grade, if you chose this option for your choice board, ye be going on a treasure hunt, ye landlubbers. Write out the steps for someone going on a treasure hunt. Draw out the map to match the steps. There are two ways you can do this. You can draw it out on a piece of blank paper, or you can make a Google drawing, a new one, and it looks like this. This is just my example here that I used. I have 10 pictures, I have 10 sentences, I have 10 prepositions in those sentences. The way I did this was I opened a Google Draw. I made it bigger by going down here and expanding it. And then I just started inserting images from the web over here. So I just typed in school to find this picture of a school. I typed in bridge to find a picture of a bridge, and so on. And then I added text boxes below so I could type out the sentences for the steps to the treasure hunt. So that would be like this, a text box, and then you just draw it out and move it around wherever you want. And again, I just made this treasure map, 10 prepositions, 10 sentences, leading you to a treasure. So that's option 1 on our choice board. Yar mateys, have fun.